What the actual f? And he used my logo in the promotion for it too. I hate what this platform is turning into. AI was one of the many responses to MrBeast's catastrophic launch of his AI thumbnail generator app, which has turned almost the whole internet against him once again. Let's be honest, MrBeast made it clear the type of man he is when he partnered with Logan Paul and KSI. MrBeast ruined YouTube along with the Paul brothers. I already didn't like MrBeast, now I really don't like MrBeast. Hi, I'm the Internet Anarchist. I create weekly YouTube documentaries, and today we'll be looking into the most recent controversy surrounding none other than MrBeast and his disastrous AI thumbnail generator launch. MrBeast is YouTube's poster boy, the platform's most subscribed creator, and the first channel new users see. Yet, even at the top, he's spent the past year dodging controversy, facing a mix of proven slip-ups and shaky allegations that keep pulling him back into the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. Throughout 2025, MrBeast stayed out of controversy for the most part. However, a tweet he posted in June turned everyone against him yet again. For some context, back in 2024, MrBeast announced the launch of his website Viewstats, which was a competitor to sites like Social Blade, which allow users to access the public analytics of their favorite YouTubers. Within Viewstats, there was also an optional paid subscription, which just provided tools that helped creators find good topics for videos and keep track of other competitor channels in their niche. Fast forward to the 20th of June in the present year, MrBeast would announce the launch of his AI thumbnail generator tool on X with a now deleted tweet that read, "Viewstats just dropped AI thumbnails, and it takes the guesswork out of what thumbnails will perform. Just prompt what you're looking for and it will generate a data-backed viral thumbnail." Along with this announcement, a video was posted across social media of Jimmy explaining how to use the tool and its many borderline unethical features.
There's a new way to make professional-looking viral thumbnails with zero Photoshop experience. And the best part is, this new method works in every niche. Whether you do gaming, cooking, beauty, this works for all of them. From creating custom results from any channel to literally being able to put your face on a thumbnail, it literally feels like cheating.
The wording, quote, "it literally feels like cheating," rubbed a lot of people the wrong way, as just putting your face on someone else's thumbnail, even without AI, is basically cheating, and an issue that MrBeast had brought attention to in the past, with a tweet that read, "The largest channel in Russia just takes my thumbnails and photoshops his face on mine." Now, AI generating a face on the thumbnail seems to be the next level of sliminess, which is concerning to see be promoted by the biggest and most influential creator on the platform. But the video just gets worse, as Jimmy makes the claim that you can just type in any channel name and still, take inspiration from their style.
With the AI tool where you can type in any channel on all of YouTube and it will use it as inspiration for the thumbnail it's generating.
What's ironic about that clip is that on screen, when displaying the channels you can copy the style of, he shares Penguin Zero's channel, a creator known for not even adding custom thumbnails to his videos in the first place. Seeing this, I decided to attempt to generate a Penguin Zero style thumbnail for this video I'm creating to see what happened. The results it generated were interesting to say the least. Later in the demonstration video, MrBeast utilizes the tool himself to generate a thumbnail of his own style, and despite the results likely being cherry-picked, it was still awful.
For example, let's say you're MrBeast. You would just type in MrBeast here. Now it's gonna look at all my recent videos and get inspiration from them. And for the prompt, I'm gonna type in stranded on a volcano. And there you go, we now have a thumbnail with me dangling on the side of a volcano.
Out of curiosity, I decided to try the exact prompt MrBeast used during the video to see if I would get a similar result. And on a first attempt, it didn't even let me generate the thumbnail. Upon trying and waiting a second time, it worked, and the results were just about as bad as you might expect. Later in the video, Jimmy continues to show examples of the thumbnail generator, even flexing how it doesn't need to steal, take inspiration from other creators.
Let's say you don't want to take inspiration from a YouTube channel, you don't have to. As you can see here, I have a very descriptive prompt describing a Minecraft block that is glowing rainbow colors and vibrant Minecraft grass with trees in the background with no YouTube inspiration. So now let's hit generate, and I think you're going to be impressed with what this comes up with. I have not altered this in any way. Look at this thumbnail it came up with. That is actually insane. All from one single prompt and no inspiration from any other channel.
That thumbnail actually looked kind of nice, so I decided to run the same exact prompt in MrBeast's thumbnail generator to see what results I would get as a normal user. And to say the result was disappointing would be an understatement. I mean, what happened to the perspective of this image? Something that rubbed me the wrong way with this whole video was how MrBeast presents this tool as a complete solution for thumbnails, and makes it seem like by using the tool, you will automatically go viral.
You can type literally anything you want and it will generate a thumbnail for you in a style that will make a viral YouTube video.
MrBeast would even demonstrate a feature where you can just link any YouTube video and copy the thumbnail.
3, to show you how all out we went on this AI thumbnail tool, you can also copy a URL from any YouTube video. We'll just paste this one I have here. And in the prompt box, just tell it what to change in the thumbnail. To demonstrate, I have this F1 thumbnail with an F1 car. And so in the prompt, I'm just gonna simply type in, change F1 car to minivan. That is all I'm typing in. I'm gonna hit generate. Let's see what it produces. And boom, it's done. Bro, I'm not even joking. Look, it swapped out the F1 race car for a minivan. That was it. I just typed in a prompt and it swapped it. This is crazy.
The way he hyped up that thumbnail was crazy, especially considering it is literally something that could be done in less time than the thumbnail takes to generate in Photoshop, as it's just swapping out the PNG of an F1 car for a van. But the video only gets worse, as the next feature Jimmy shows off is literally designed to steal someone else's thumbnail and slap your face on it. The exact thing Jimmy spoke out about in the past when it happened to him.
If you really like the thumbnail you're generating, but not the face on it, don't worry, we have this face swap tool that you can click, upload a face you do like, and it will instantly swap it onto the thumbnail. To show you how simple this is, I'm gonna take a photo of my face, okay? I'm now gonna hit face swap, and take the thumbnail from this to this automatically.
If you watched closely in that clip, you would see that the thumbnail he claims to be the result of the face swap was actually the original output prior to the swap. The thumbnail he displayed as the before didn't even exist in the previous generation. While this could be chalked up to a simple editing error, it is still misleading, and based on the amount of time that was shown on screen, I have a feeling they knew what was going on. MrBeast closes off the video with a bold statement that this is the future of thumbnails, and that it's officially over for graphic designers.
I could go on and on, but this is the future of YouTube thumbnails. No more complicated Photoshop and having to get a PhD in how to edit things and figure out what 1,000 buttons do. Now, you can literally just type into a prompt what you want, and it'll give it to you.
Immediately after the announcement went live, MrBeast began receiving massive amounts of backlash, including a tweet from YouTube legend Jacksepticeye, who previously got into controversy when he stated that YouTube changed for the worse and that he doesn't like MrBeast and thought he was ruining YouTube.
Would you say YouTube's changed for the worse? Yes. Now, Jack.
Let's verify that
I
first.
just know. Now, Jack, a completely unrelated question. Do you like MrBeast? No. No. Jack. Oh! Do you think MrBeast ruined YouTube? Yes. Oh! Now, in all honesty, Jack, why? Because it became more about views, money, and popularity than it did about having fun.
Jack's tweet reaffirmed this, stating, "What the actual F?" And he used my logo in the promotion for it too. "I hate what this platform is turning into, FAI." This tweet was in response to how MrBeast used Jack's channel logo as an example of channels his AI can clone. Jack's tweet would go viral, garnering over 24 million views and supportive comments, with even Dan TDM calling it quote depressing, and popular YouTuber Point Crow pointing out rules for thee but not for me, in reference to when MrBeast complained about this issue in the past. Something MrBeast states multiple times is that his tool is intended to quote level the playing field, you know, to help smaller creators who are starting out to be able to make better content and grow faster. However, funnily enough, this tool costs $79.99 a month, so it definitely seems more targeted towards already successful channels. Also, you can literally buy ChatGPT Premium for $9 a month and have similar, if not better capabilities when it comes to generating images. AI thumbnail generators are nothing new. Tools like Pixels have existed a while before MrBeast launched his. The difference now is that MrBeast is marketing these tools to the general public, and completely normalizing the usage of them in a way that seems to reduce creative jobs rather than empower creators. Within 24 hours after the immense backlash he already received, MrBeast deleted his announcement tweet, and the drama alert promotion video was also removed. likely in an effort to reduce the controversy and silence the outrage. MrBeast would also make the decision to engage directly with one of his most vocal critics, Point Crow, who revealed in a tweet that MrBeast had reached out to him personally, tweeting, "Had a chat with MrBeast about his AI thumbnail creation tool. While I'm uncertain what will be happening moving forward, I voiced my thoughts directly to him. Great idea to want to make content creation more accessible, but this isn't remotely the solution to that, and fundamentally hurts creators as a whole," where MrBeast responded by promising to update the app to only let face swap work on your own thumbnails, stating, "I appreciate the feedback. I love the YouTube community more than anyone can remotely comprehend. Already working on changes, like face swap should only be used to swap your face on your thumbnail, obviously not others. And overall, I'll build this more in a way to be an inspiration for artists, a tool they can use and not replace them. Very good feedback. My goal with Viewstats is to build tools to level the playing field between people like me with 300 employees and new creators that can't afford a small army." MrBeast's response was met with even more backlash, with Dark Viper AU stating, "Wanting to level the playing field between those with 300 employees and those without means you want to make those 300 people redundant, meaning they won't have jobs. Seems like your tool is designed to enable firing your artists while getting $50 from everyone else. Out of touch evil genius move." Overall, MrBeast has been receptive to the feedback, as Mudaha suggested he build Viewstats into a system for creators to get in touch with actual artists, to which MrBeast seemed open to the idea. Whilst MrBeast has removed his promotional post for the AI thumbnail generator, the tool itself still exists and is accessible through Viewstats. Despite the hate and controversy that spawned from this, MrBeast likely made and will continue to make a ton of money from this tool. And there's not a real incentive to actually make the changes he promised, as nearly everyone against AI wasn't going to pay for it in the first place. Only time will tell if MrBeast will actually implement the changes he promised, or if he'll simply wait for the dust to settle.